One of my favorite shows is Gospel. And I like it in Jesus Christ Superstar, the old Hindi movies, you know, about Jesus. One thing that always struck me about these movies, out of any movie about Jesus, no matter how bizarre it may be in some ways, no matter what the subject matter may be or trying to aim toward when they're talking about Jesus, you cannot write the story of Jesus without having something come out that is good. And this goes to show you that even a Jewish atheist can write things that are praising to God.
Oh, bless the Lord, my soul, His grace to me proclaim, and all that is within me join to bless His holy name. Oh, yeah. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul, His mercies bear in mind, forget not all His benefits, the Lord to me is kind. He will not always chide, He will with patience wait, His wrath is ever slow to rise. Ready to obey, and ready to obey, and ready to, and ready to, and ready to, and ready to obey. He pardons all my sins, prolongs my feeble breath, He heals my infirmities, and ransoms me from death. He clothes me with His love, upholds me with His truth, and like the eagle He renews the vigor of my youth. Then bless His holy name, whose grace has made me whole, whose loving kindness fills my day. Hey, hey. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. Oh, bless the Lord. Oh, bless the Lord. Oh, bless the Lord. Oh, bless the Lord, my soul. 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 Oh, bless the Lord, my